so we are working with a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and as you can see, this was just a leftovers pour, and it's all iridescence and metallics, and I love it, but it doesn't have much of a composition, so we will pour over it. And the colors I have are Payne's Gray mixed with a little bit of Decoart Deep Sapphire, I believe it is. Yeah. And so I put like a little scoop of the Deep Sapphire in here with the fluid Payne's Gray of Goldens. I have also Decoart Rose Gold, Decoart Extreme Sheen Coral, Decoart Bronze, all metallics, and Extreme Sheen 24K. I have my white mixed. I finally got my white back, and I know a lot of people were experiencing not very good paint consistency. It was very clumpy and everything, but I ordered a bulk order of 6 online at Michael's, and all of the white paint so far is perfect. Perfect consistency, everything. So I'm super happy with that. I'm glad I didn't get a clumpy bottle, or 6 for that matter. So if you are looking for some of the Artist Loft Flow white and can't get it in the stores, go online to Michael's, order the bulk pack of 6. I don't know about if the individuals are the same, but I know the bulk pack of 6 has really, really nice and smooth paint. So we are going to layer a cup. I have my apron on tonight because it's really humid here. It's like November and it's like 73 degrees with like high humidity, and it's gross because we just took out our air conditioners and everything. And I'm gonna, in the cup, I'm gonna start with a little bit of the Payne's Gray and a little bit of the gold. And then I'm gonna go right into using the white. That was a little much, but I don't want, I don't know what I'm not doing my typical layered cup. And I don't even know if this is going to be a sandwich pour or what, but it is going to be some layers with colors, and we'll see what else. So let me just grab one thing. All right, it's not letting me pause the video, so I'll just deal with it. Yeah. All right. We're gonna come in with the white on top, just drizzling it. Come get your dinner. And then we're going to do a little bit of bronze on top of that. And a layer of Payne's Gray. And come right in with coral. And the rose gold. And I think some gold from up high. And I think that's going to be my cup for now. We'll see how this turns out. I have plenty of leftover paint and paints for that matter. That if this doesn't work out, I'll just do my layered cup straight pour with some other colors and the metallics. Get my torch ready. So I can see the, pardon me, rose gold coming right up. And then over here, the coral. And I have just a little bit of gold in there. So we shall see. I'm gonna fill my torch. I'm running out of fluid. All right. And we're coming around the edge. And we're gonna spread it out so that when I lift this and start tilting, the paint will roll right along with the paint. Some artists like Mina Villegas, she thins hers out. You could do it however you want. I don't, because I don't want it to move super fast. Okay. I'm wearing my pajamas. And yeah, hold on one second. So I'm just gonna move this slowly around. That's a little faster than I wanted. My paints are a little on the thinner side, but it could be my Floetrol that I'm trying to use up. And I'm not crazy about it. I love all this going on over here. I'm just going to tilt some of this more off, and the colors are just so I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this, but I'm actually really digging this transparency effect I got here. So what I'm gonna do is fix that one little cup. And I know Mina's probably saying right now, if you had the push pins in, it wouldn't be a problem. I'm actually gonna leave this because I have never seen what's going on here before. So let me bring you guys down so that you can see close up. Okay, so this is pretty darn incredible. At least for me, I've never seen it sell and stretch out so much that then it's transparent and you can see this is the Payne's gray underneath. I wish I could get a good angle or good coloring on this. It's like a super, super pale pink sheer, like bubble wrap or something on top, but I love it. All this webbing like is just really, really cool. So yeah, and all these little cells coming up here. It's a little close, sorry guys. But that's just crazy. Crazy cool. I wasn't going to leave it like this. As I was stretching it out, I had considered, okay, I'm definitely going to be pouring over this, but when I saw all of this, I had to stop because I've never seen that happen before. So I'm not quite sure what did it, but I think it's so very cool. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just really neat. It looks like a lace, something, webbing. I'm not sure. But thank you so much for watching. Let's see how this one dries. I think it's going to be really cool. Sort of looks like mountains of some sort in here with like some beautiful, I don't know what. You know what? I don't know what it looks like. How about that? How about whatever it looks like to you works for me. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out my social media links. Also, stay tuned. You are going to see a video come up soon. I'm going to have a holiday sale, and there's going to be 2 stages of it. All 20 by 20s in the first stage, and the second stage I think is going to be 16 by 20s. We'll see if I have enough energy to do that too. But that's in the next video, and we're gonna go from there. All right, Everybody have a great day.